that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the pain, cause I don't want a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. Do what you tell me. Actually, 1, 2, 3, talk to me. When I come to this game, man, to change your brain. When I come to
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are recreating the It Halloween makeup tutorial. I already have a It makeup tutorial on my channel, so we're just kind of doing a little revamp, okay? So we're going to get started. So I already did one eye off camera because I honestly didn't know how this look was going to go. So I'm hopping into the Licorice Lane palette by NYX Cosmetics, and I am taking the lightest red shade in the palette, and I am using this as a transition color for the eye. Make sure you blend this color really well. Reds are kind of hard to blend out, so just keep blending until you get a flawless application. So the next color that we're hopping into is in the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. This is in the Bling Boss palette, and I am taking also this burgundy dark red shade, and we are going to put this in the crease and kind of work the color up into the transition color. So the next color I'm going into is in the Jaclyn Hill first edition, well I guess second edition collection with Morphe, and I'm going to put this in between the transition color and the crease color because it wasn't blending out to my likings, so I had to add another color to kind of make it a flawless seamless blend. And I'm hopping back into the Bling Boss collection, and I'm taking this, it's a black, y'all. It looks purple on camera, but it has like purple reflex in it. It's really pretty, okay? So we are gonna we're creating a halo eye essentially. So we're gonna put the black color on the inner and outer part of the eye, and make sure you blend. So now we're going to create the little balloon on my eye. So just like how you would go in with a cut crease or any type of halo eye, we're just going in with regular concealer and mapping out a half circle. And then I'm taking the red paint that I've used in the last two videos, and I am using that as the red shade for the balloon. So now I'm just going to add the highlights to the balloon, keeping them on the exact same side as the balloon on the other eye. I'm just placing one towards the bottom and one towards the top. And I did do a little bit of shading on the balloon with the burgundy shade that we used on the lid, and just giving it more depth so it can be a little bit more realistic. And then I'm adding a little bit of highlight in the center, but make sure you blend this out so it's not too harsh. I just finished my entire face off camera, and now we're going to add the lashes. For lashes, I'm using the Kiss lashes. This is their semi-new collection. It's the Fifth Avenue collection, and this is in Splendor. These are pretty much my favorite pair of lashes after I put them on. Now we're going to actually work on the It part of this tutorial. I am using that light red shade in the Licorice Lane palette and just marking out where I want the clown, I call them clown horns, but whatever, I don't know what they're called. And then I'm taking the next darkest shade that we've used in this whole video, and now I'm just adding a little bit of depth, making sure it's not too harsh towards the end because we want that tapered, like skinny horned effect. And then I'm adding black to the center of the horns. Oh, my lights kept going out through this entire video, so bear with me with the lighting. So now we are doing the clown nose. This is really simple. Basically all I did was put a red dot on my nose and then shaded it in with eyeshadow, and then gave it a little bit more depth with the burgundy shade you'll see in the next clip, as you can see. So now we are going to work on the smile part of it. I'm mapping out where I want the lines to go with the black shadow, and then I'm marking them with the lighter red shade from the Licorice Lane palette. And now we are going to add a little bit of blending and depth, and I don't even know what to call this. Just watch this part of the video and you'll see what I'm doing. As you can see, we have one side of the face complete. Now we're going to work on the lips. For lipstick, I'm going in with the LA Colors lipstick. This was in their Bite Me Halloween kit. So I'm just using the lipstick in the kit and making sure that we're doing like a little ombre effect with some black shadow. Just take your time with this step. There's no rush. So now we are going to finish off the other eye. I'm taking the same red paint and making the tail end of the balloon, so when our eyes are closed, it will look like a full balloon. And then after I do that, I'm taking white paint and drawing the string of the balloon. This part is really simple. Just draw little squigglies, not going through the black, kind of curving it and stopping, and then going on the other side and curving and stopping, so you're not going through the black line. So now I'm just going in and adding a little bit of shading, kind of how I did the drips in the Jason video. I will leave a link to that video in this video somewhere. So yeah, that's basically it for this entire tutorial. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M.B Squad because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next Halloween tutorial. Bye guys.